Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Magic Fluid and download this app from this developer. Open it and tap on the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept, and over here you can customize live wallpaper however you want. When you're done, tap on the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as live wallpaper and tap Set as. Decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!